Hi guys, good afternoon. Today it's Wednesday. Look at my view. Look, some snow. It's not snowing today, but it's so cold. It's -3. Oh my god. I'm just walking outside so I can have some exercise. Look at so nice view. It's so cold. Napansin nyo pa nagsasalita ako. Wala lang, naka-amaze lang ako. It's my first time to see snow. I don't know if we can walk in the forest. Okay. Yeah, we will try. Oh my god, guys. Sobrang lamig. Hindi ko na nararamdaman yung ilong ko. Mapula na siguro. Ano nga yung sabi nila, yung reindeer nose. Sobrang lamig. Nangangatog na ako sa lamig. Yan. Medyo dumidilim na, guys. So, pabalik na tayo sa bahay. Ang lamig na din. Ay. It's so cold. Look. Yan yung football field. Yan. Yan, guys. So, balik na tayo sa bahay. O, punta tayo dito. Punta muna tayo dito. Saglit. Pakita ko sa inyo yung football field. Punong-puno ng snow dito kahapon eh. Ngayon, kahit pa paano pwede nang daanan. Because of you, so cold. Yan. Okay. Balik na tayo, guys. Lumidilim na. Anong oras pa lang? Siguro 5. Yeah, 5. Madilim na. Padilim na siya. Yan. Pauwi na tayo sa bahay. Lapit lang pala kami, guys, sa Sweden. Ito. Yan. Yan yung way papunta ng Sweden. Diyan kami nagsha-shop. Yan. Lapit lang kami sa border. Yan, ito yung view. Pauwi na tayo sa bahay. Oh my God, look at that snow. It's so cold. After school, diretso ako sa bahay para magtanggal din ng snow. Okay guys, let's start.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
So yan guys. Yan, natanggal natin sa driveway. Ayan. Nakakapagod, my God.